Hello YouTube family, Ben here with another video. Thank you for stopping by. I hope everybody had good holidays. I know I did, and the fragrance that I've been enjoying this holiday season, it was the Burberry London. I was lucky to find this bottle on my local discount store for less than $20. So I bought it right there as a blind buy because I had never tried it before. I just went with the hype this fragrance kit from the fragrance community. And I bought it the beginning of the week of Thanksgiving. When I first got it, I thought I had made a mistake, or I thought the fragrance community was playing a prank on me, because at the time when I first applied it, it kind of reminds me of Obsession by Calvin Klein, and I keep hearing that that fragrance is actually outdated. So it was not until I posted in a Facebook group that I found out the purpose of this fragrance is to actually wear it during the holiday season, and not to expect any compliments about how sexy the fragrance is. So I realized there that versatility on this fragrance is quite limited. You can only wear it for the holiday season time. I wore this fragrance for the get together with the family for Thanksgiving, Christmas time, and I've been wearing since on Sundays to go to our worship place, because the scent is nice enough, but it's not offensive or obnoxious. It is not distracted. So it is. I find it to be a good fragrance for the worship place. The fragrance is actually spicy. You can definitely tell that cinnamon is there, the coconut wood is there, which is a kind of myrrh, and the wire wood is also there, which resembles a rosy wood. Burberry London came out in 2006 as a spicy oriental. The opening notes are lavender, bergamot, and cinnamon. Middle notes are mimosa and leather, and base notes are coconut, white wood, oak moss, and tobacco. Sillage in Burberry London is quite intense when you first apply, but as it dries down and starts disappearing. Same goes to projection. After 4 hours, you get a skin scent. So if you're considering wear this fragrance for a long day event, you probably will have to reapply it after 4 hours. This bottle holds 3.4 ounces and is wrapped in a fabric resembling a tartan. Presentation is quite attractive, but you can't see how much liquid you still have in the bottle. Atomizer is just okay. Burberry London is actually a fragrance that has grown on me. I've been wearing every Sunday, at least for the remaining couple of the days of the year. I would like you to share your experience with Burberry London if you had the chance to try it already. As always, I always appreciate your feedback about this video, and I will also appreciate if you consider to subscribe to this channel. I am already developing ideas for future videos, and I would like you to become part of them. This is it for me now. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.